you can have a beautiful bathroom and kitchen. But if there's no air circulation, it will smell like mold and grease within months. Ventilation is not optional. It's a necessity. Yet in most Filipino homes, it's the last thing discussed, till it becomes a problem. Let's start with the CR. Without an exhaust fan, the warm air and moisture from every shower stays trapped, leading to mold, peeling paint, and that musty amoy kulab smell. A ceiling or wall-mounted exhaust fan should be placed near the shower or above the toilet bowl and connected to a ducted system or direct wall opening to the outside. Pro tip: connect it to the light switch so it turns on automatically during use. Next, the kitchen. Cooking creates a mix of steam, smoke, and oil particles. If you don't have a range, hood, or an exhaust vent, this builds up on your cabinets, ceiling, and even inside electrical outlets. A proper range hood with ducted exhaust should lead to an outside wall, not just recirculate the air back inside. For condos or tight spaces, charcoal filters may help, but ducted systems are always better. Now let's talk about utility areas or laundry rooms. These often sit in enclosed service spaces or back corridors where air can't move. The heat from dryers, water heaters, and even just sunlight can create an oven effect inside. Installing a wall-mounted ventilation fan helps release trapped heat, prevents appliance overheating, and reduces fire hazards. Ventilation is one of the most underappreciated parts of home design, but it affects everything: your comfort, health, energy bills, and the lifespan of your finishes. So before your home turns into a sauna or smells like an old bodega, plan those exhaust fans right. Now, choosing the right location for your exhaust fans is crucial. Bathroom fans should be placed directly above the shower area or toilet to effectively remove moisture and prevent mold growth. In kitchens, the primary goal is to remove smoke and cooking odors. So the exhaust fan should be positioned above the stove or cooking area. Consider the direction of airflow and make sure it doesn't blow directly onto the cooktop or into an oven. Also, the fan should be powerful enough to handle the space. A fan that's too weak for a large room won't effectively remove moisture or odors. And finally, don't forget about noise. Choose a fan with a low sound level to avoid any disruptive noise. You can also install sound dampening materials in the ductwork to help reduce noise. Proper installation is equally important for maximizing your exhaust fan's effectiveness. Ensure the fan is securely mounted and the ductwork is properly sealed to prevent any air leaks. Also, it's essential to clean the exhaust fan regularly to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. Check the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning frequency based on usage. And lastly, check the local building codes for any specific requirements or restrictions regarding exhaust fans. Building codes can vary depending on location, so make sure to check for any permits or inspections needed. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your exhaust fans operate efficiently and effectively, creating a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. In addition to the three I mentioned earlier, other areas where ventilation is crucial include attics and crawl spaces. Installing ventilation in these areas can help regulate temperature, prevent moisture buildup, and protect your home structure, basements, and garages. These areas are prone to moisture and potential hazards. Proper ventilation can help prevent mold, mildew, and hazardous gas buildup. Server rooms and workshops. These spaces often contain electronics or equipment that produce heat. Adequate ventilation is necessary to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance, whether it's fumes from a workshop or the musty smell from a bathroom. Proper ventilation is essential for a comfortable and safe living environment. Don't wait until you have a major issue. Invest in good ventilation for a healthier home.